You are about to experience instant chart relief with a fix that brings a quiet clarity to your trading. We are mastering market structure today so you can see the right moves fast without any stress or confusion. I'm Jonathan Jarvis and I'll guide you through it. Let's start now. We're going to take things a step further with understanding how you can use multiple time frames with your swing structure to understand the lower time frame acts as an internal structure for the higher time frame. Now we're going to do this on the US dollar Swiss franc on a daily time frame, and we'll go down to a 4 hour and potentially a 30 minutes. You can see how this all aligns. So first is mark up the actual structure on the swing structure here on a daily. Now if you're not sure how you find those highs and lows, then there is a playlist in this channel which will go through everything step by step for you, and I'll leave that playlist above now for you to check it out after this video if you want to understand how you can apply this. Now of course, if you want to see how you can actually automate the full process, then do check out the video at the end of this video because it goes through and shows you how you can automate the process of mapping this up as well. So we're going to look at where we see a break. So here's a break of structure. I'm going to go through this step by step quickly for you so you can see how this is going to work. So we have a BOS to the upside. That class is a break of structure. Once I identify this move up, I'm looking for my low, and this is going to be my low in the market. And you can see that is only being swept through. And my high is going to be formed here. That's a new break of structure again. So at this point in the market, what we see on a daily time frame, and by the way, this is current price, okay? I'm not going back in time here. We've got a break of structure, so we're currently bullish. Then once we see this breakout, this new low is created here for me. And you can see eventually that breaks through on that candle. And what this now forms for me is what we call a change of character. And what this shows me is a trend shift in the market from a bullish to a bearish trend. And then finally, we'll be able to mark out that this is a current high in the market. So let me mark this off in the right place. What this becomes, and I'll mark it out, is a high in the market. So this is our current high. I'll whack it over to the right. And my current low is going to be down here. Right, so this is my daily time frame here structure. So this is my daily time frame structure. Very easy to understand once you see what's going on. So we had a bullish bias, and now eventually we failed to break, pulled back, broke out, and then we pull back against this swing. So we have a swing from this high to this low. So there's our current swing structure on the daily time frame. Now what we're going to look at is how you can use the lower time frames here to give you an internal structure of this higher time frame. So what I'm going to do is leave this structure on. We're going to map this across to the lower time frames. So onto lower time frames. Now when we go down to a 4 hour time frame, what we're now going to be able to identify is that this is our daily last change of character. This is our daily strong high in the market and our weak low. So this is our current move to downside on a swing structure. Now we're going to identify this as a current pullback on the 4 hour. What does this look like now? Well, this is going to be an internal trend pulling it back against this swing move on a daily, and that's how we use the multiple time frame here with that single swing structure to give us an internal structure. Let me show you how this would map out. So let me just check this closely down to the bottom because we could have a swing high down here. I need to go nice and close to check my candles. Let's have a look at this, and yeah, that's a high in the market. So what this now tells me is I can mark off this high as a potential level on a 4 hour, and this will going to be a BOS on the 4 hour. Now as it's a 4 hour time frame, let's change this to a thinner line. Actually, let's make it a smaller line, and we'll put that to the center so we can see where that is. Okay, so we've got a 4 hour break of structure here. Let's follow this trend, how we're mapping this out with our internal structure based on a daily swing structure. Remember, our daily is our higher time frame. It's our main source of direction. We now have this as a new level, which we can mark off again as a new BOS. So you can see how the market now continues higher. This becomes my new low. Now we don't break this low down here, and this becomes a new high. And then we break to the upside again. So now we have a continuation. We've got a bullish trend on the lower time frame of the 4 hour. Now that is internal structure against this swing move to the downside. And that's how we use multiple time frame here. So continue with that structure. Our next high is going to be marked off this high here, which is a new break of structure again to the upside. And see how this works. So we get a new break to the upside. When we break out, our low is down here. And then we're going to create a new high here. Again, another break of structure. You can see that the market continues to be bullish here. So we've got a bullish continuation until we see this breakout, and this becomes my low. And what this is now is a first change of character. So this is our change of character to the downside on this 4-hour time frame. So what this now signals, looking at this time frame, this is current price on the US dollar Swiss franc. This is what we're looking at. Our daily time frame is our main structure we're looking at. There's our swing move to downside. Then we have a swing pullback. Now within that swing pullback, we can easily identify that we have this bullish movement in the market until we now shifted bearish right here. This now puts the 4-hour in line and in alignment with the daily time frame swing structure. That's how we use the single swing structure with multiple time frames and the use of the internal structure in the lower time frame within the bigger time frame swing. Now, it's very easy once you start to understand. Now, we can do the same process again. If I now just do the same, we'll make sure these are all put below and down below. Go down to a 30-minute time frame, and you'll see where we have the larger swings here is our 4-hour time frame. Then we're going to have our 30-minute time frame. We zoom into current price, and we'll look at this move here. We had a break of structure. Okay, so I can easily see this a push to downside here. Let's make this a dashed line. This is our 30-minute structure. This is going to be a, let me double check, break, pull back, break. Yep, so that's correct. So this is going to be a BOS here on a 30-minute to downside. Then we have this high created, which is another BOS to the upside. Now, I'm just going back in time to show you how this would look. We then get a pullback here, and that creates another new break of structure. And we continue to go to the upside. So we've got a continuation here of a 30-minute structure until we get to this high. This then becomes my high in the market, and we failed to go any higher, and my current low is down here. And now we have a new change of character on a 30-minute. Now see how the change of character on the 30-minute comes before the 4-hour. This is signaling to us the potential shift on the 4-hour early. So we come down, we react at this low, and eventually we push through on that 4-hour. And we saw that already on the 4-hour. So once we identify this, change of character here on that 30-minute, we continue as price pulls back here with a new break of structure. So now, in agreement, we have our 30-minute structure already bearish. We had a change of character on that 30-minute. Our 4-hour structure is now also bearish. So now we've got alignment with our lower time frame of the 30-minute with the 4-hour. Our 4-hour is now aligning with the potential swing structure on the daily. And that's how you start to align the multiple time frames, using a single swing structure with the lower time frame as your internal structure. If you want to see the companion tool that automates this system in seconds, watch this next video, perfect entries across all timeframes, one-click fix, and see how simple it is to follow the process inside the tool for instant results with market structure.